Hello friends, from Premium Ceramics, one of India's leading premium tile companies, presenting Solid Bond SB-2, a high-performance, polymer-modified tile adhesive designed for professionals. SB-2 is a Type 1, EN Standard C1E certified adhesive. It's designed for vitrified and porcelain wall and floor tiles, as well as for tile-on-tile applications. SB-2 is ideal for both interior and exterior applications, providing high bond strength and long-lasting adhesion, even in demanding environments. The ready-to-mix formula allows smooth and uniform application, ensuring consistent coverage and a clean finish every time. With optimized formulation, each 20 kg bag covers approximately 5 square meters at a 3 mm bed thickness. That's efficiency built for professionals. And its low VOC is safer working environment formulated with reduced emissions for a cleaner, healthier workspace. Solid Bond SB-2 ensures strong adhesion, slip resistance, and long-term durability, keeping every tile perfectly in place for years to come. Solid Bond SB-2, engineered for performance, built for trust. By Premium Ceramics, a premium tile company of India. Made in India, made for the world.